When it comes to construction, wood remains one of the most widely used and versatile materials. However, not all wood is the same, and understanding the differences is crucial for choosing the right type for any project. Wood is generally classified into two main categories: hardwood and softwood. Despite what their names suggest, these classifications are not based on the actual hardness or softness of the wood, but rather on the type of trees they come from. Hardwood comes from deciduous trees that shed their leaves annually, while softwood comes from evergreen coniferous trees. Each type has unique properties that make it suitable for specific applications in construction. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between hardwood and softwood and how they are used in building and design right here on History of Simple Things. Hardwoods come from angiosperm trees, which are broad-leaved and usually grow at a slower rate. Examples of common hardwood species include oak, maple, mahogany, walnut, and cherry. These trees tend to have more complex structures, featuring vessels that transport water and nutrients. This vascular system contributes to their characteristic dense and durable wood. Due to their slower growth rates, hardwood trees typically produce timber with tighter grain patterns, making them more resistant to wear and tear. Softwoods, on the other hand, originate from gymnosperm trees, which mostly include coniferous species such as pine, spruce, fir, and cedar. Unlike hardwood trees, softwood species have a simpler cellular structure and rely on tracheids to conduct water. This results in a wood that is generally less dense and lighter in weight. Because softwood trees grow faster and are more abundant, they are often more affordable and widely available than hardwoods. Their rapid growth makes them a sustainable option for large-scale construction projects where cost and availability are major considerations. One of the most noticeable differences between hardwood and softwood is their physical properties, particularly in terms of density and durability. Hardwood is typically denser than softwood, which makes it stronger and more resistant to damage. For example, oak and teak are commonly used in flooring and furniture because of their ability to withstand heavy foot traffic and long-term wear. Hardwoods also have a higher resistance to moisture, insects, and rot, making them a preferred choice for outdoor applications such as decking and exterior furniture. Softwoods, in contrast, are lighter and easier to work with. Their lower density makes them more flexible, which is beneficial in construction projects that require adaptability. For example, pine is widely used in framing houses because of its workability and strength-to-weight ratio. However, softwoods are generally more susceptible to scratches, dents, and decay, which means they often require treatments like pressure treatment or sealing to improve their longevity. Despite this, some softwoods like cedar and redwood have natural oils that make them resistant to insects and decay, making them a good choice for outdoor use. Both hardwoods and softwoods have specific applications in construction, and their use depends on the requirements of the project. Hardwood, with its strength and durability, is often used for high-end construction elements such as flooring, staircases, furniture, and cabinetry. Because of its density and resistance to impact, it is also common in structural applications where long-lasting performance is needed. In historical and high-quality constructions, hardwood is often the material of choice for beams, doors, and decorative moldings. Softwood, being lighter and easier to process, is commonly used in structural frameworks, roofing, and paneling. Its affordability and availability make it a preferred choice for mass construction projects, particularly in home building and interior applications. For example, plywood and MDF, medium-density fiberboard, which are commonly used in cabinetry and wall sheathing, are often made from softwood species. Additionally, softwood lumber is extensively used in creating engineered wood products such as laminated beams and trusses, which are essential in modern construction. From a construction perspective, the workability of wood plays a crucial role in determining which type is best suited for a project. Softwood, being less dense, is much easier to cut, nail, and shape. This makes it an excellent choice for carpenters and builders who need to work quickly and efficiently. Softwood can also be easily glued and stained, allowing for versatile design applications. Hardwood, due to its density, is more challenging to work with. It requires specialized tools and equipment to cut and shape it properly. However, its durability and aesthetic appeal make it worth the extra effort, especially for projects where strength and longevity are key factors. Because of the time it takes to grow and its processing requirements, hardwood tends to be more expensive than softwood. This cost factor makes softwood a more attractive option for projects that require large quantities of timber, such as home construction. Sustainability is an important factor when choosing between hardwood and softwood for construction. Since softwood trees grow much faster than hardwood trees, they are more readily replenished, making them a more sustainable choice for large-scale building projects. Many softwood species used in construction are sourced from managed forests, where trees are continuously replanted to maintain supply. This makes softwood a more environmentally friendly option when considering long-term sustainability. Hardwood, on the other hand, takes decades or even centuries to mature, which means that overharvesting can lead to deforestation and environmental degradation. However, responsibly sourced hardwood, such as those certified by organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council, ensures that these materials come from sustainable forests. Reclaimed hardwood, which comes from old buildings and furniture, is another eco-friendly option for those who want the benefits of hardwood without contributing to deforestation. Both hardwood and softwood have distinct characteristics that make them suitable for different construction purposes. Hardwood, being denser and more durable, is ideal for high-end and long-lasting structures such as flooring, furniture, and decorative elements. Softwood, with its lighter weight and ease of use, is perfect for structural applications, framing, and large-scale building projects where cost and availability are key factors. The choice between the two ultimately depends on the specific needs of a project, including budget, durability requirements, and sustainability considerations. By understanding these differences, builders and homeowners can make informed decisions that ensure both practicality and longevity in their construction projects. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.